my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how I cope with my greasy hair. The first thing you notice about greasy roots is the fact that it gets really flat on top. There is no volume, it's really flat, a little bit sticky or too sticky in some cases. So what I'm trying to do, and this is my favorite hairstyle, is actually to work with what I have. I already have the oil in my hair, my natural oil. So what I'm doing is I am working together with this oil to create a very sleek ponytail. This is seriously one of my favorites. So with a comb, I start to brush my hair. So the next thing that I'm doing is I'm gonna make a simple ponytail. Whether you're gonna wear it to the back or maybe to the side. Next, I'm gonna add some shine hairspray. Now this is a great way to give the illusion of having a shiny, sleek ponytail. Don't forget to spray on the rest of the hair, so it's not really noticeable that only this part is shiny and this one is really dry. Moving on to my next hairstyle, which is one of my favorites. I created this a couple of weeks ago on my Instagram page and you guys loved it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna create a fringe without having to cut my hair. I'm sectioning the first part off, which is the front part, and this is where my layer starts. Now you need to have, you need to have some short layers if you really want to do this. If you have really long hair, it's going to be very hard to create a fringe. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to grab the entire hair section, put it to the back, putting my finger, and then wrap it around it and put it to the front. Now you have a fringe. Not yet, because you need to make this more beautiful. And as you can see, I'm already hiding a big part of the front section where the hair gets really greasy. And now we're gonna put the rest of the hair in a bun. And then secure the bun in place with some bobby pins. Next, I'm gonna just spread the fringe all over the hair section that I want to hide. Ta-da! This is seriously one of my favorite hairstyles, simply because I have a fringe all of a sudden without having to cut my hair. It's so much fun. It hides the greasy roots, especially in the front part where the baby hairs get really greasy. So easy to create, everyone can do this, and I seriously love the fact that I can have a different hairstyles in a couple of minutes. You can do this without the greasy hair, by the way. I'm gonna create a braid with 3 hair strands, just a simple braid, but I'm keeping the hair up while I'm creating the braid. Just keep it up as you go. Now remember, this hair section, which is the length of your hair, is completely fine. It's not greasy. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna create a crown with these braids. Pull the braid apart just to make it a little bit bigger, to make it more obvious. And I'm gonna put it on the top of my head and secure this side with a bobby pin. Now we're gonna do the same on the other side. I'm gonna cross this just on top. I'm gonna put this in the front hair section, simply because I want to hide as many roots as possible. The moment that I put it to the back, there is still some hair in the front that might show how greasy my hair is, and I don't want that. So I'm gonna put it to the front, pull some hair to make it a little bit bigger, and then hide the ends underneath the first braid. This is the best way to hide greasy hair. You are using the length of the hair, which is completely dry, and you're putting it on top of the greasy roots. No one will look at your roots. All the attention will go immediately straight to the braids. The fourth and the final option is also one of my favorites, and to be honest with you, I do this before considering creating any hairstyles or do anything with my hair, simply because I have those lazy hair days where I don't even want to think about my hair. Why not wear a baseball hat? It's so simple, it's easy, and buy yourself a nice one. This one has a velvet fabric, the color's amazing, and imagine if I would wear a lipstick in this color. It will look super stylish and it will complement the entire outfit and hiding the greasy roots. Have enjoyed today's tutorial. Hopefully these tips and tricks will help you to look fabulous even on greasy hair days. They help me a lot, and to be honest with you, a lot of people have no idea how much you can do with greasy hair. All you need is a little bit of patience, some tools, some products, and a little bit of help of my tutorials. Thank you so much for watching. Give this tutorial a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I really hope to see you next time. Bye guys!